Now, some of the sums on page number 7, those are important questions. The first one, y is equal to log of x to the base 5 and to the base 3. Here there are two approaches. In the MCQs, there may be given two different answers. That's why I will go on solving by both the ways. Why I am solving in both the ways? Because in the competitive examination the options are given something else. Because there are two different answers. Finally, if we reduce them, they will be same. But in between step, if the answer is given, then it will be a problem. That's why I am just solving it by both the ways. So first of all, by textbook way, what they have done, this part is A, and this part is B. Log of A to the base B is equal to log of A upon log of B, and the base we are taking E. You can take anything, but for derivative and integration the base is taken E. That's why I will take E. So log of this log of this log of x to the base 5 1 upon log of this 3, and the base is naturally the E is the base because we have changed the base. So that is y is equal to 1 upon log of 3 to the base E, because this is a constant, and log of x to the base 5, and the base is E. Now I can differentiate because here the base is E. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, this is a constant, 1 upon log of 3 to the base E. Need not mention the base E. This is the change of base formula, change of base. Now here d by dx of log of x to the base 5 and the base is E. Its derivative I want to take. That is equal to 1 upon log of 3 to the base E into derivative of this log is 1 upon this part, log of x to the base 5 into, now the derivative of this, d by dx of log of x to the base 5. Now I cannot go with this because the base is 5. So I have to change the base once again. So that is equal to, this part I will bring together, 1 upon log of 3 to the base E into log of x to the base 5. I am purposely mentioning the base. Here I want to change the base. Base I want E. So this upon this. That is equal to log of x upon log of 5, and its derivative I want to take, d by dx. I am just mentioning it, I want to take it. So 1 upon log of 3 to the base E into log of x to the base 5 into this 1 upon log 5, base is E, don't forget base. So 1 upon log of 5 to the base E, this is constant, into this derivative of d by dx of log of x to the base E. So that is equal to, overall it will come 1 upon log of 3 to the base E into log of x to the base 5 into log of 5 to the base E, into derivative of log x is 1 upon x because the base is E. Now in the MCQ, this may be the answer, x into log of 3 to the base E into log of x to the base 5 into log of 5. This may be the answer. 5 to the base e. At these two places they might not have mentioned the base. Here I have mentioned. This may be one of the answers in the multiple choice questions. So now this answer and what the textbook has solved is just the same. How I will proceed there is 1 upon x into log of 3 to the base e into this. I will change the base. Log of x upon log of 5. Log of x to the base e upon log of 5 to the base e. This is the change the base into log of 5 to the base e. Now this is cancelling and that is equal to 1 upon x log 3 log x. I will write first log x into log 3. This will be the answer. So this is also the answer. This is also the answer. In the textbook this answer they have given. So if we go by this way, this is also one answer. So note this. Now the different way also what the textbook has done, accordingly also we will go. So just remember this very well. So whenever for MCQ such answers are coming, then you should think what way they might have solved. That in between one step was coming, that will not come by this method now. So y is equal to, instead of changing the base here, I will change the base here. So log of this base I am keeping here the same and I will put the bracket. Log of a upon log of b. So log of x upon log of 5. Naturally here the base I have taken this. So this is nothing but y is equal to log of a upon b is nothing but log of a minus log of b. So this is a upon this is b and this is as it is log of log x to the base e and here the base is 3 minus log of the base is 3 of this log of 5 to the base e. Now here onwards I want to take the derivative. So if I want to take the derivative once again here this base won't do. I want to change that. Therefore y is equal to log of, this is our a, this part. This part is, this much part is a and this much part is b. Log of a is what? Log x to the base e upon. What is the b part? Log of 3 to the base e. This is that. And minus log of 5 to the base e and base is 3. Note down this step. This is very important step. Now I want to take the derivative. dy by dx. Here what is the base? E is the base. Don't forget this. dy by dx is equal to, I am taking the derivative of the variables. This is the constant. I will take it out. Log of 3 to the base e into d by dx of log of x. Here the base is e. Here the base is e. Need not mention this much part. Minus d by dx of log of 5 to the base e and here the base is 3. That is equal to 1 upon log 3 to the base e into derivative of this log. Base is e, so no problem. We can take derivative of this log is 1 upon. So 1 upon. What is that 1 upon? This much part. log x to the base e into. Now the derivative of this is over. Derivative of this also I have to take into d by dx of log x to the base e minus derivative of this, what it will be? It is a constant, 3 constant, 5 constant, so it is 0. That is equal to 1 upon log of 3 to the base e into log of x to the base e. In the textbook the answer they have not mentioned this base, into the derivative of this log x is equal to 1 upon x, 1 upon x, and the overall answer will be 1 upon x log of 3 into log of x. So our answer has matched to that answer. Earlier also we have done, but in between there was some other step coming, and if suppose in the examination that option comes, so we will be in the puzzle. That's why I have solved this way also and that way also. This is a very important step, so don't forget this. Whenever you have to be very good in the subject, you should know all the alternative methods also. So we'll stop this because the video becomes very lengthy, and we'll go for the next things.